You can use Azure Backup Vault when you are working with modern backup scenarios, especially with Azure Backup Center, Azure Policy Based Backup, and Vault Archive tiering. This is the recommended option for new deployments. In this video, we will go through deployment steps and considerations that you can have during the deployment. You can search for backup vaults in the Azure search bar and click Create. In Basic tab, main thing to highlight here is the backup storage redundancy. You must select a storage redundancy option to define how backup data is replicated. Geo-redundant replicates data across regions for highest durability. Zone redundant replicates within a region across availability zones. And locally redundant replicates within a single data center, which is least expensive and with the lowest durability. Select locally redundant and click Next. In the Vault properties, enable immutability prevents modification or deletion of recovery points during a specified retention period. And enable swap delete retains deleted backup items for a configurable duration, which allow recovery. These two settings enhance protection but depend on regional support. In the restore setting, cross subscription restore, when this option is set to enable, it will allow backups in this vault to be restored across different subscriptions or regions, which is useful for disaster recovery and migration scenarios. Click now Review plus Create. Once the backup vault created, you can see the various sources as shown on the screen to back up the data in the backup vault. You can also define the backup policy and the retention criteria for the backups. That's how you protect the data on those supported services.